Welcome to the Oliver Motors walk-around video of a 2000 Town & Country with a VMI Mobility Power wheelchair lift conversion. Hi, this is Del from Oliver Motors, and try and say that all in one sentence. Anyway, as I stated, I'm going to take the next few minutes to walk around this Chrysler Town & Country mobility van. We get vehicles in here numerous different ways. One of them is on consignment, and this particular vehicle is on consignment here at Oliver Motors. As we walk around, if you're in the need for a specialty vehicle like this, this is one to definitely take a look at. It's not too often you find a mobility van in this condition for this low of a price. This is the LX model that has had that, again, VMI Mobility lift kit conversion put into it. And I'll show you what some of those features are here in a second. Just the van itself does have the standard alloy wheels. As we open up the driver's door and take a look inside, you'll see it also does have your power locks, your power windows, and of course, the vents for the back. Everything right there easily accessible at your driver's fingertips. It does have the driver's side power seat. As we get up, you'll see some of the different features that this vehicle does have on it. I mean, some standard features, your power mirrors and your light switch. They're on the left-hand dash. The switches down below here are more for that mobility conversion. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, your cruise control. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, the other sides for the cruise control. So both sides work in that cruise. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel on the toggle is going to be your windshield wipers. Right behind is a tilt steering. A nice bright LED display, making it easy to read in the middle of the afternoon or late at night with that dash. The aftermarket AM/FM CD player that was put in. To the left of that is your rear fan controls. Below is going to be all of your climate control features. In front of the passenger seat, a nice big glove box. Now you'll notice some of those extra features. The seat's built up a little bit more. More locking features in the back to help with locking in a wheelchair. As we move around to the side, the power sliding doors, as you see, a bigger area, making it easier to get in and out with the need for a wheelchair. The back seat that also offers seating capacity. As we close that door, walk around to the back, we're going to pop open that back hatch and see some of the other hardware that will be used in strapping down the devices, making them roadworthy. That back seat that will fold down in the case that you do need a little bit more room. Your jack assembly on the left-hand side. Closing up that rear tailgate and walking around to the front, we're going to pop open the hood. As we walk around, lift up the hood, we're going to take a look at that 3.3-liter V6 that is powering this vehicle. One of the things I do love about the Mopar products from the day, everything that you need to check or fill is brightly colored in yellow right up on top. This still has the safety features like the crumple points, the drop-away motor mounts, along with other great features inside. If you'd like to get more information, please don't hesitate to hop online at olivermotors.com or give a call to our store in Sun Prairie at 608-318-6100.